Welcome to Whole Food Meals. Today we're making this delicious whole wheat penne pasta with roasted cherry tomatoes, olives, and capers. For the ingredients, you'll need 500 grams of whole wheat penne pasta, 1 kilogram of cherry tomatoes, 5 heaped teaspoons of crushed garlic or 5 large garlic cloves that's been minced, olive oil, 1 to 3 teaspoons of pepper flakes, depending on how spicy you like your food. Oregano, about 60 grams capers, 1 cup pitted Kalamata olives, half a cup cashews, salt and black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons sugar. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees and make sure the oven's rack is in the center position. Rinse the cherry tomatoes and slice it into halves. Add the chopped tomatoes to a medium to large bowl and add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to the tomato mixture. Drain the capers from the mixture that it came in and add it to the tomato mixture. Add 1.5 teaspoon sugars to the tomato mixture. Add half a teaspoon salt. Add 1 to 3 teaspoons of pepper flakes, depending on how spicy you like your food. Add 5 heaped teaspoons of crushed garlic or 5 large garlic cloves that's been freshly minced. Add a healthy serving of black pepper. Mix it all together. Transfer the tomato mixture to a baking pan and spread it into a single layer. Now that our oven has reached the correct temperature, we can add it to the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. In the meantime, we can drain and chop our pitted Kalamata olives into small pieces. In preparation to cook my pasta, I'm boiling a full kettle of water. Add the boiled water to a large pot. Next, add in the penne pasta. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Be sure to stir the pasta regularly as you cook it for around 10 minutes or until al dente. While we wait for the pasta to cook, we can chop up about half a cup of cashew nuts. I find it easiest to place one hand on the top of the blade and crushing down with the other hand for items that's hard like nuts. After cooking the pasta for around 10 minutes, it's nice and soft but still firm. Strain the water from the pasta. You can reserve half a cup of the pasta's water if you want to adjust the consistency of the pasta in the end. You can add the strained pasta to a medium to large bowl. I'm going to reuse the one that we used earlier to make the sauce. Now that my timer has lapsed for the tomato mixture, I can take it out of the oven. The tomato skin should be nicely shriveled. Let it cool down for around 5 minutes. Add the tomato mixture to the pasta. Add the olives and cashews. Add a healthy serving of oregano, at least 3 tablespoons. Mix it all together. If you want to add a little bit more sauce to it, you can always add a can of Italian style chopped tomatoes. I hope you enjoy this meal as much as we do. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel. See you next time.